been a great mentor, a super boss, and a wonderful friend. Whatever I have achieved here at MSL Group is mainly because of you, and I couldn't have spent 11 years at this agency without you being there. You have truly inspired us. You have always given us full freedom to explore whatever we wanted to, and I think that is one of the reasons for success of the organization. And I think the place is not going to be the same without you being there, and we are going to terribly miss you. Love you, Jaydeep. Thank you.
Hello Jaydeep, want to wish you the best for your new direction that you have chosen to take. Some good memories and best energies and thoughts for your coming venture. I'd like to wish you.
I wish you all the luck. And I remember the night in Ahmedabad where we spent some time at the Ahmedabad office, and I wish to spend some more time with you in the future. So wish you all the best and hope to see you again soon.
Jaydeep, you rockstar. When are you opening your own bank? Because we would like to join you there as well. Clearly we don't get enough of you in the office and around here. So looking forward to good times. All the best with your campaign and new ventures, and hopefully we'll be able to contribute a bit. Rock on.
Hi Jay, wish you all the very best, and you've been a great person to work with, taught us so much and extremely chilled out, and I'm sure we'll always keep in touch and have a great life ahead.
Hi Jaydeep, I wish you all the very best. We'll miss you.
Hey
Jaydeep, wish you all the very best.
All the best.
Hi Jaydeep, we had an excellent time working with you. You've been a great mentor, leader and well-wisher to all of us. And it's a pleasure to be part of your team. Wishing you all the best for your new endeavor. We will definitely miss you. Thank you.
Hi Jaydeep, you are a super boss. We enjoyed working with you, and you're under your leadership. Wish you all the best for your future endeavor. You will rock wherever you go. Thank you.
Hello Jaydeep, you are a rock star and an inspirational CEO. What you leave behind is a legacy that has set a benchmark in the PR industry. Wishing you all the best wherever you go. Cheers.
Hi Jaydeep, we are going to really miss you. The one thing that I learned from you is the personal rapport that you maintain with each one, every one of us. That is the major lesson that I'm going to take forward all through my life. Thank you for being such a wonderful friend rather than boss. All the very best for all your future endeavors. Take care.
All the best Jaydeep, and do well in whatever you do in life.
Hi Jaydeep, we are from the Pune team. We wish you all the very best and hope to see you very soon.
Hi Jaydeep, I can't imagine this organization without you. But still, we have to move on. So all the best and hope to see you soon.
Hi Jaydeep, it was a pleasure knowing you, and we really hope and wish that you get all the success in your future endeavors. Have a very great life, have a great future, and we hope to see you soon again and work with you again.
Hi Jaydeep, best of luck. Wishing you the best for your future endeavors.
Hi Jaydeep, wish you all the very best.
Hi Jaydeep, it's been a great honor for me to have known you, to have worked with you, and to have been a part of this great organization of which you've been a part of. You're going to be sorely missed, and it's just not going to be the same without you, and I wish you all the very best for whatever it is that you're going to take up once you leave us and go. We'll miss you. Bye.
Hi Jaydeep, thank you for giving the opportunity to work with you at MSL Group. It's been a great learning experience and a pleasure. May you do well in your future endeavor. God bless.
Hi Jaydeep, it was great pleasure working with you, and I wish you all the best for your future. Thanks for everything.
I think the best part about Jaydeep is the energy that he brings to the room, and he just can dominate a conversation single-handedly. I wish Jaydeep the very best in anything and everything that he does, and hope to be in touch with him.
It's so hard to imagine MSL, rather Hanmer and Partners, Hanmer MSL and now MSL Group without Jaydeep. I don't know how we would have come so far had he not been there. So I guess the ball just keeps rolling, and wish him all the best going ahead.
Hi Jaydeep, the best part about working on Reputation has been working with you. Just wanted to say all the best for the future, though you don't need it, you're an awesome person. Thanks.
Hey Jaydeep,
We've known each other for a very long time. I'm not going to say any goodbyes right now because there's been a lot of learnings and I still think there's lots more to learn from you. I'm sure we'll be able to cross paths again. We will be in touch and I wish you all the very, very best in your next endeavor. Hope to catch you soon. Bye.
Hi Jaideep, all I would like to say is a very big thank you for giving me a chance to be a part of MSL Group. You'll surely be missed.
Jay, cheers to you for your journey ahead. We had a very good time in these 4.5 years with my journey with you at MSL Group. Good luck.
Hi Jaideep, it was actually a pleasure working with you. It was not like working with a boss, it was like working with a friend who was always there to guide, advise. It was fun working with you and I'm sure that I will miss you a lot. Wish you all the best.
Hi sir, it's going to be really difficult to not see you around. I know I joined Hanwha 6 years back and ever since I've been working with you. It's a difficult time honestly to not see you around any longer here, but I know that I'm going to reach out to you more often, and it's just that you've been a great mentor and inspiration for me personally. And thank you a lot for everything, for all your opportunities here, and wish you all the very best.
Hi Jay, it's difficult to fathom that you are leaving MSL Group. You've been a friend, a mentor, a guide. You've shaped our lives, you've shaped our careers, both Dipti and mine. Along with us, many people. Some of them who were with us, some of them who are not with us, who are no longer with MSL Group. I know we will come to you more often than not. You are someone who's become more of a friend, and I wish you all the very best. I can revisit the song again and again. This is something which has stayed with us in college, in school, and probably now again. It's the song by KK and Pal. I can so relate to that song and the moment, the feeling that I'm having right now. It's a very somber feeling. I again wish you the very, very best, and I know with SG and you together, the magic is going to be created once again. Thanks, Ray.
What can we say? I can only say thank you to you, Jaideep, for giving that opportunity to work with you. It was a pleasure working with you, and I'm going to miss this a lot. It's going to be a big deficit for personally me to not be working with you anymore. We'll miss you.
Jay, one thing that I admire about you is the authority and the freedom that you give everyone, that really helps us develop our own unique style of working and has helped us grow tremendously in this organization. And obviously the next thing is the promptness with which you reply to all emails. The go ahead, cheers, we're really going to miss that. I mean, you're a tiger, you're sharp, observant, aggressive, and we really aspire to be like you. So you really, really will be missed. Your values and everything have actually made up MSL, made us. So wish you best of luck, and I know that you're going to create as much and more value wherever you go.
Hi Jaideep, you're definitely one of the strongest pillars of MSL Group. I know that you will definitely be missed. You are someone who has inspired us and inspired me every day I've come to work. I have learned so much from you. You definitely are someone who has our backs and a support to many. I'm sure we're all going to miss you a lot. So all the best wherever you are. I'm sure you're going to do great as always. Thanks.
Jai, wish you all the very best for your future endeavor. But you will definitely be missed. Your smile, your energetic smile, the occasional galis you greet us with, the laughter, the coke, everything. I mean, everything about you will be missed here. And I would like to thank you for giving me all the opportunities, both earlier and this second time. And yeah, I don't know how much more can I say, but thanks a lot. You will definitely be missed, and hope to see you soon again here once again sometime later.
Jaideep, as most of you wouldn't know, is actually a very warm person. He's not that cold-hearted person that he is usually. He's warm, he's extremely funny, dry sense of humor that is, extremely sharp, intelligent, and he has the ability to kind of multitask. And how if you send an email at 2 a.m. you'd probably expect a response by 2, and that's how he is. So, and if I had a last wish, I'd obviously want him to stay. So I hope I can use that wish.
Jay, I was watching some of the earlier videos, and many people are accusing you of being soft and cuddly, despite that very tough and hard exterior. Is it true? Actually, I think it is. I think you are guilty as charged. And well, more than anything else, Jay, I wish you luck. I wish you success. Do stay in touch. We will really, really miss you. Good luck, man.
Chief, I don't know what I need to say. In fact, I have lots and lots and lots to tell you. Well, I'm not going to cry today. I'll do the crying when you're here on Monday when I see you personally. Chief, you're the bestest boss I've ever worked with in my career. I don't know where my career is going to take me, but at least the last 8 years was fantastic with you. You've been a superb mentor and a very good friend to me. I have acted extremely immature, I've irritated you, annoyed you, and been stupid at many instances. But you have always understood and guided me right. Working with you for 8 years was fantastic, Chief, and I really don't know how to thank you enough. Hope I will continue to speak to you, be in touch with you, and you will continue to guide me forever. Thank you so much, Chief. Love you lots. Bye.